But now, here's the cool part. I can take this and I can make this into a function, right? I can say def clean email. str email is the variable that I need inside the function. And so at the very end, I'm going to return str new email. I'm going to send that back. So now, if I want to, I can use this to clean any email string. Right? And it works. So now I've got a complex algorithm that I solved or created using algorithmic thinking, where I broke down the pieces into little steps, into little problems that I can solve. And now I have a generalizable, reusable function that all I have to do is pass it an email address that's got extra punctuation on the ends.